Hi, my name is Martin Fensterstock and I'm the National Sales Manager for Comprehensive Connectivity Company. Today we're going to take a look at our CHE-HDF18G01 Pro AVIT HDMI 4K 18 gig fiber extender kit up to 3,300 feet, a compact design for an easy and flexible installation. Comprehensive's HDMI over fiber extender kit includes one transmitter and one receiver and supports 18 gig Ultra HD 4K at 60. This extender is designed to convert a full HDMI signal to a fiber signal, which can be conveniently transmitted over 3,300 feet using single-mode fiber cable or 1,000 feet over multi-mode fiber cable. 2 IR receivers and 2 transmitters are included, allowing for bidirectional infrared control and support of RS-232. All components support HDMI 2.0 and are HDCP 2.2. These are RoHS compliant and come with a 3-year warranty. For more information on this product, please visit us at comprehensiveco.com or connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn.